How to fix could not connect to iCloud. This phone number cannot be used at this time. So let's get started. First of all, start with restarting your device. Press and hold the power plus volume down buttons or just power for older models, then slide to power off. Then turn it back on and try signing into iCloud again. Also, check internet connection and make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi. Then go to the settings app on your mobile device. Inside settings, all you have to do is scroll down, tap on the general, then tap on the software update option available there. If an update is available, install it and try again. Now, once you are done with updates, go back to the settings general again, and this time scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer reset iPhone, then tap on the reset and tap on reset all settings. This will remove Wi-Fi networks and VPN settings but won't delete any data in your iPhone. If none of these solution works, then your phone number may be flagged by Apple servers, so contact Apple support for assistance. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.